What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide on how to find your wallet address on Bybit, a popular cryptocurrency exchange. Knowing how to locate your wallet address is essential for receiving cryptocurrencies securely. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique wallet address, and using the wrong one may result in lost funds. First, open the Bybit website or app. Enter your login credentials like email or phone number and password. Click the login button to access your account. Once logged in, look for the Assets or Wallet tab on the dashboard. Click on this tab to open your wallet overview. In the wallet overview, you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Identify and select the cryptocurrency for which you need the wallet address, like for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum. After selecting the cryptocurrency, look for an option labeled Deposit or Receive. Click on this option to reveal your wallet address. Copy the wallet address provided. Ensure you are copying the correct address specific to the cryptocurrency selected. Finding your Bybit wallet address is a straightforward process that involves logging in, navigating to your wallet, selecting the correct cryptocurrency, and copying the provided address. Always double-check the address before sending or sharing it to prevent potential losses. Now that you know how to find your wallet address, you can confidently receive cryptocurrency through Bybit. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.